Hi, I'm Stuart Thompson. I'm the editor of Digital TV Europe. I'm here with Przemysław Frasunek, who's the CEO of Redge Technologies. Przemysław, can you tell us a little bit about the background to Redge Technologies and the significance of your recent acquisition by Play Group?
Yes, sure. Thank you for the invitation. Thank you for the opportunity to talk about Redge Technologies. Our company was founded 15 years ago. We are a part of a bigger capital group listed on Warsaw Stock Exchange. But thanks to a management buyout in which I was involved as well, in 2020, we became an independent entity, and now we were acquired by Iliad Group. We are a white label OTT provider. So basically it means we provide a full end-to-end OTT ecosystem, including service delivery platform, but we operate our own CDN as well. So we are one of the largest regional CDN providers in Eastern and Middle Europe. We have multi-terabit capacity, and we cooperate with the largest telcos and broadcasters in the region. And our recent project, acquisition by Iliad Group, gives us a lot of opportunities to work together to expand CDN presence in Western Europe as well, because Iliad is one of the strongest telcos in Europe. It can allow us to expand our CDN presence to countries in which Iliad is present. And of course, we are cooperating with Iliad very, very closely, and we can see opportunities to implement our white label technology in countries in which Iliad is operating.
Great. Now, one of the things you're highlighting here is CDN 3.0. Can you tell us a little bit about that and what pain points it addresses for operators?
Yes, that's right. A typical architecture of CDN solutions assumes that CDN is built with origin part and edge part. And the edge part is completely passive, so it's only in charge of caching the content. We are doing it in a completely different paradigm. So we are building a distributed computing platform which allows you to process content on the edge. It gives you a lot of opportunities in both business cases, but in technological cases as well. We can lower the latency, we can process content on the edge, we can watermark content, we can do everything what is needed to provide the best quality CDN service.
Right, now we hear a lot about edge computing these days. Can you tell us a little bit why edge computing is so topical just now? Why is it well placed to address some of the challenges operators face?
Yes. It's mostly a matter of 5G networks. So in 5G, the content can be put closer to the end user, and you can process it very close. You can, for example, get some events from end users, and you can process it on the edge of the network. So there is no need to move data to the centralized cloud. Everything can happen on the edge. So it allows to lower the latency and to offer the better quality of experience.
Great. Now, can you tell us a little bit about some of the current projects you're working on with operators?
Yes. Recently, we won a tender, a very competitive tender in Israel. We signed an agreement with Keshet Media Group, and we are rolling out the white label OTT platform in this region. And of course, a part of the deployment would be a CDN solution. So we are expanding our presence. We are currently present in Poland, in Czech Republic, and UK. And right now we are rolling out our CDN solution in Israel. So it's a big project for us. It's a big opportunity to go to expand geographically to other regions.
Great. Now, that's expanding outside of Poland. Can you tell us a little bit more, and you've already talked about this to some extent, your plans for international expansion beyond Poland and Central Europe?
We started with our operations in Poland, then we proceeded with expansion to Baltic countries, to Southern Europe, and right now Israel is our next aim. But thanks to acquisition by Iliad, we are able to expand globally and to the Western Europe as well. So it's our plan. We want to be a regional CDN provider. We want to have a CDN presence across the whole Europe and across Middle East region as well.
Great. Przemysław, thanks very much.
Thank you.